Hey YouTube, this is Raul. Um, so I have a little thing here that I was doing a little project. I bought a controller for a DJ for the equipment. It's a Hercules DJ control Jogvision controller. Um, Mine turned out to be faulty after I bought it off of eBay, but I already knew it was faulty from one side. The pitch control was not working, so I went ahead and bought it anyways because I figured I could go ahead and just purchase the parts. Um, at first, I went when I got it. Yeah, only the left pitch control was messed up, but then I was playing with the other one and the right one was messed up also. It was already on the verge of breaking down, and so it did. It broke. I looked around all over the Hercules forums to see if I can find uh, any any way of finding a product number for the part, the sliders. Um, I did find it, but it's not exactly the same. But it pretty much everything is the same except for two little things. Um, I've already switched them out. Uh, I'm gonna show you the original piece. Here is the original piece. Okay, it has 3 pins on the bottom, and then on this side it has three pins on this side, and then it has 2 pins on the other side, and then you got, of course, the slider. This one, uh, let me see if I can get it close. It has a what they call a dent, uh, where if you slide it down and you'll hit the zero position. Uh, that's all it is. That's all it means. The dent means zero position. Okay. I did buy extra pieces. I bought 5 pieces in total. Put 2 in already, and it works. It works just fine. It really doesn't matter anyways because here's the new one. 2 pieces on the bottom, and then there's 3 on the top. Um, so what it is that as you replace them, right? Uh, you see that little the slider part, the lever right here. On the original one, it's a little bit longer, but don't be discouraged. When you put the tabs in, it still works. The tabs fit all the way in, so don't even worry about that. And the dent, there's no dent on this one, so it just goes smoothly right across. It'll go smoothly right across. Um, but other than that, it's fine. It works fine. I've already looked at it. I have it hooked up right now, and as if you can see, the pitch control. Let me see. There we go. So that's down, up, down, up, in zero position, and then with the other one also, up, down, up, down, and of course back to zero position. So the position, like I said, it really doesn't matter anyways because once you put it in, you see those lines, you already know where your zero mark is anyway. So there and up here, when you have your pitch control, as you can see, it has its lines on there. So that's the only thing that's varies on that. The product number for this one, you want to go through Mouser Electronics, and the part number that you want is RS 45111, A as in Adam, 900, F as in Falcon. Okay, so that's the part number. One more time, RS 45 111A900F. That's the one that I purchased, which is the most closest to the old one, right? And here's the old one. The only thing that it changes is this little lever right here. It's a little bit smaller, and it doesn't have a dent for the 0. Okay, so that's the only thing. But the pins and everything is the same thing. The pins are the same, so it'll fit perfectly in there. And as you can see, let me see if I can pull it off. Okay, so I got that one. It looks a little short. Excuse me. It's a little short, but it's okay. It actually fits. If you go in there, you put it on, you're good to go. Same on this side. Small, but the tabs fit in there perfectly. And you go up and down. Okay, so you go back down to the 0. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video will be able to help you guys out. I know that sometimes it's a pain in the butt trying to get these controllers working, and I've had my issues too. I've had other controllers, but this is the first time that I actually replaced that one piece, and they work. They work pretty good. So I'm very happy. This controller only costed me $160 on eBay. It was busted, but not anymore. So I guess I'm happy. And as you can see, these two are the old ones, and these are the new ones. So I have my extras in case mine gets messed up again. If you guys need any help, hit me up here on YouTube. Hit like, and hopefully Hercules will stop giving false numbers. Okay, because it's not leading you to anywhere except for others, looking around and getting them pissed off. I did this video to help everybody out and at least find some type of solution for their mixers, or I should say their controllers. That's pretty much it. I'm happy. Hopefully I'll be able to use this on Saturday at a bridal shower, so let's see how it works out. Alright, well, I'll talk to you later, YouTube. And as far as Hercules goes, still a big fan. Keep making brand new ones. Hercules has been really good. I've had no problems with other controllers, but I have had some that were faulty that I have purchased before. So, but you're gonna get that. If you buy cheap, sometimes you're gonna get cheap. So just keep that in mind. And with that, I'll leave you guys go. Any comments, go ahead, leave them here below. And that's it, pretty much. Talk to you later. Bye.